Day 19, my posse. My prepper posse. I just made a stew. Oh, it's marvelous. I made a big pot. I can't wait till we go back to some simpler times. There's just a lot of work to do to get there, which is fine. The babies have all clean bedding, nice and new. I brought them back in because it's not time yet to leave them outside. There's all their old bedding I threw out there, and we'll take it to the big laundry. The big loaders. Get it good and clean. It's so quiet. The cows, you can hear them in the background. They're making their noise. Birds are chirping. And it's just very, very nice. Very quiet. It's my daughter's last day at work. And we're going to spend Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday cleaning out the stuff and getting ready for trade day. So I will take you along. Get some stuff sold. Enjoy your day. And don't forget to play. See you.